This is Kiki, owner of SelfCareApparel. And you guys, guess what? See, I was chilling today, and then as soon as I got on my computer, I said, let me go check on my shop because I'm dropping my How to Start a Body Butter Business at 12 a.m. So I went on my computer just to get that ready. And y'all, we got an order. So let's pack it. Okay. Y'all know how ghetto this gets. Okay. So she ordered our pretty and pink bracelets, and that will go in our lovely organza bag, just like so. She ordered our cookie and cream perfume oil, and that will also go in our organza bag. And along with our, y'all don't get on me. It's a long story why these are short, but our business card, and they will come in this lovely Thanksgiving polymer, and along with our sugar scrub coffee toffee that also go in there. Her freebies and some more crinkly paper, but not too much. I don't like to overdo, but it just gives that surprise. Okay. And then once I get everything situated, we're gonna top it off by closing, and then she gets a thank you, also Thanksgiving, and two thank you cards, and the final will come in as thank you. And y'all, that's how I package my order. You know, I want to thank you for shopping with us, supporting my small business. This made my night. And y'all, we're out. Until then, stay tuned. Bye, you guys.